just won't hold. We'll replace it quick like it's brand new gold. Charging ports loose, Wi-Fi out of tune. We'll have it fixed by this afternoon. Rose Mobile, we've got the skills. Fixing your devices is how we thrill. From water damage to software blues, you bring the problem, they've got the clues. Speakers distorted, the buttons won't play. We'll have it working by the end of the day. Cameras out of focus, or glass in a smash. Rose Mobile's the place to make your phone last. So if your phone's in trouble, don't wait, don't stall. Rose Mobile Repair will fix it all. With expert hands, they'll make it right. Rose Mobile, your tech shining light. Rose Mobile will fix your tech shining light. Got a battery drain, you just won't go. We'll replace it quick like it's brand new gold. Charging ports loose, Wi-Fi out of tune. We'll have it fixed by this afternoon. A Rose Mobile, we've got the skills. Fixing your devices, it's how we thrill. From water damage to software blues, you bring the problem, we've got the clues. Speakers distorted, all buttons won't play. We'll have it working by the end of the day. Cameras out of focus, all glass in a smash. Rose Mobile's the place to make your phone last. Hey, Rose Mobile, we've got the skills. Fixing your devices, it's how we thrill. Rose Mobile, we've got the clues. You bring the problem, we've got the clues. Speakers distorted, the buttons won't play. We'll have it working by the end of the day. Cameras out, focus, glass in a smash. Rose Mobile's the place to make your phone last. When the screen is cracked, don't you despair. Rose Mobile's here. We'll fix it with care. Shattered or unresponsive, we'll make it bright. Your phone's as good as new, shining in the light. Rose Mobile, we've got the skills. Fixing your devices, it's how we thrill. From batteries to cameras, buttons to glass, we'll repair it all. Your phone will last.